Hi guys, so we left off defining the different roles, and the last thing that I want to say is that there's a lot of facilitation between these positions. People move around a lot in these different positions. Next, we'll jump into maybe different types of game design documents. So, types of game design documents. You have your pitch document, which provides a brief description or overview of the game. Okay, this document is visually appealing. Okay, you want to use usually more images than words, and this is really for like the marketing team, the publishing team, and so there's a bunch of components that go into this, including the concept, genre, platform, look, target, and references. Next, you have your game proposal document. Which is a brief explanation of the game. It's specific to the development of the game. So deadlines will be focused on. There'll be a point of focus. Microsoft Word is a big one here to make these documents. And this will be towards business, publishers. The business end of the company or publishers. Okay. Now, your game design document. This is going to be the #1 tool of game designers. You could use Photoshop. Basically, that's to make some graphics, but the main focus of the design document, which I should have pointed out first, is you're going to describe all of the game ideas, and this is going to be the longest type of design document. So sometimes you'll be in class and you'll be asked to do a design document, for your game, and but which one do you do? Well, that all depends on what your professor is asking you to do. Is he asking you to, create a pitch document, a game proposal document, or a game design document? And depending on that, that's how you're going to approach that assignment. Now, let me just see if there's any other points that I want to touch on. No, that seems about it for game design documents. Just wanted to get some of that information out there to you guys. So just to review, game design documents, they explain game rules and mechanics to contribute to and facilitate interaction between players, where I've defined a player as a real-world person, NPC, or even a game object. Game designer will set up the game rules, game mechanics, victory and defeat conditions. Creative director is responsible for the game concept, game genre, setting, and aesthetic, which is the art, look, and sound of the game. Level designer defines the building blocks of the game. He defines structures within the game, scenarios and scenario elements, level design, game situations, and level mechanics. And there's 3 types of designers, guys. Just to review, we have game designer, creative director, and level designer. Types of design documents, you have your pitch document, which is the most brief of the 3. This is a high-level document, simply, 1 to 2 pages describing, or, even maybe up to 5 pages, just describing the idea to others that have no idea about deadlines or anything like that, all about just the game. Now, the game proposal document will outline the deadlines and when each thing needs to be roughly completed by, or even specifically completed by. And your game design document is going to be the largest of all the documents. You're going to incorporate things from Photoshop, which probably will be incorporating the other 3. Describe all of your game ideas here, and it's the longest type of design document, as I said. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next tutorial.